Welcome everyone. On this channel we're diving deep into the world of cars, uncovering the engineering marvels, the quirky features, and the little details that make each vehicle unique. If you're passionate about cars that innovate, inspire, and surprise, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We've got a lot to explore today, so buckle up as we unveil 10 hidden Tesla features that'll leave you amazed. Alright guys, let's kick things off with a Tesla Easter egg that's sure to bring back some childhood memories. Picture this, you're cruising down the highway on autopilot, enjoying the smooth ride and the futuristic feel of your Tesla. But what if I told you that you could transform your navigation screen into the iconic Rainbow Road from Mario Kart? Yeah, you heard that right. To activate this hidden gem, all you have to do is quickly tap the gear shift down 4 times while autopilot is engaged. It's like having a secret cheat code for your car. The navigation screen will come alive with vibrant colors and that familiar Rainbow Road design, adding a touch of whimsy to your drive. Now let's talk about a feature that's sure to get a chuckle out of you and your passengers. It's one of those quirky, unexpected delights that Tesla has become known for. Tesla calls it emissions testing mode, but we all know it by its more popular name, fart mode. This feature is hidden within the toy box, a treasure trove of fun and games on your Tesla's touchscreen. Yes, you read that right. Tesla lets you choose from a variety of fart sounds to play through your car's speakers. From the classic short shorts ripper to the more elaborate Neura stink, there's a sound for every sense of humor. To unleash this symphony of flatulence, just open the toy box on your touchscreen and select emissions testing mode. It's as simple as a few taps on the screen. You'll be presented with a menu of different fart sounds, from subtle to downright outrageous. Each sound is designed to bring a smile to your face and laughter to your car. You can even assign specific fart sounds to different seats in the car. Imagine the fun you can have by customizing the sounds for each passenger. Imagine the look on your friend's face when they press the turn signal and get a blast of air biscuit as a reward. It's a prankster's dream come true. It's juvenile, it's silly, but hey, it's Tesla. This feature perfectly encapsulates the playful spirit of the brand, reminding us that driving can be fun and full of surprises. For all you dog lovers out there, we know how much your furry friends mean to you. They are not just pets, they are family members, and their safety and comfort are paramount. Tesla has a feature that'll make you wonder how you ever lived without it. This innovative feature is designed with your pet's well-being in mind, ensuring they are always safe and comfortable. It's called Dog Mode, and it's specifically designed to keep your furry friends safe and comfortable when you have to leave them in the car for a bit. Whether you're running a quick errand or stopping by a store, Dog Mode has got you covered. Now I know what you're thinking. Leaving your dog in the car? Isn't that dangerous? And you're right, it can be, especially in hot weather. The interior of a car can heat up rapidly, posing serious risks to your pet's health. And you're right, it can be, especially in hot weather. Traditional cars can become unbearably hot, turning into a potential hazard for any pet left inside. But that's where Dog Mode comes in. This feature is a game changer for pet owners. When you activate Dog Mode from the climate control menu, the car maintains a safe and comfortable temperature inside, even if it's scorching hot outside. When you activate Dog Mode from the climate control menu, the car maintains a safe and comfortable temperature inside, even if it's scorching hot outside. The system ensures that the interior remains cool and pleasant, preventing any risk of overheating. Plus, a message is displayed on the touchscreen, letting passersby know that your pup is safe and sound, and that you'll be back soon. This message is crucial as it reassures concerned individuals that your pet is not in danger, and that the car's climate control is actively keeping them comfortable. It's peace of mind for you, and a comfortable haven for your 4-legged companion. With Dog Mode, you can run your errands without constantly worrying about your pet's safety. It's a win-win situation, ensuring that your furry friend is always in a safe and controlled environment. Let's face it, car theft is a real concern and it can happen to anyone, anywhere, at any time. But Tesla has an answer for that too, ensuring peace of mind for its owners. It's called Sentry Mode, and it's like having a vigilant bodyguard watching over your car 24/7, ready to spring into action at the slightest hint of trouble. When activated, Sentry Mode uses the car's external cameras to monitor the surroundings for any suspicious activity, capturing every detail with precision. If it detects something amiss, like someone trying to break in or even just acting suspiciously close to your car, it springs into action immediately, ensuring that no threat goes unnoticed. The touchscreen displays a warning message, letting the potential thief know that they're being recorded, which can be a powerful deterrent. And if that's not enough to deter them, Sentry Mode can also blast music at maximum volume, drawing attention to the scene and making it clear that the car is protected. This creates quite the scene and hopefully scares off any would-be thieves, making them think twice before attempting anything. It's like having a security system on wheels, always on guard, always ready to protect your investment. With Sentry Mode, you can rest easy knowing your Tesla is always looking out for itself and for you. Alright, who's up for a karaoke session? That's right, your Tesla isn't just a car, it's a rolling entertainment center. With Tesla's built-in karaoke feature, you can belt out your favorite tunes while cruising down the road. Forget those clunky aftermarket karaoke machines. Tesla integrates it seamlessly into the car's infotainment system. Just select karaoke from the menu, choose your song, and get ready to sing your heart out. The lyrics are displayed right on the touchscreen, so you don't have to worry about forgetting the words. Whether you're stuck in traffic or on a road trip with friends, karaoke is sure to liven up the journey. Now let's talk about a hidden feature that's as fun as it is unexpected. Tesla's charging port isn't just a place to plug in your car, it's also home to a secret light show. To activate this Easter egg, you'll need to tap the charging port light in specific sequences. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Once you've mastered the secret handshake, or should I say, tap sequence, the charging port will come alive with a pulsating light show. You can choose from different patterns and colors, turning your charging experience into a mini rave party. It's a small detail, but it's those little touches that make owning a Tesla so much fun. Romance Mode. Setting the mood for a cozy evening. Looking to create a romantic ambiance for a special someone? Look no further than Tesla's Romance Mode. This hidden gem transforms your car's interior into a cozy and inviting space, perfect for a date night or just a relaxing evening. To activate Romance Mode, simply select it from the Toy Box menu. The touchscreen will display a crackling fireplace animation, creating a warm and inviting glow. At the same time, the heater will gently warm up the cabin, making it feel like you're snuggled up by a fireplace on a chilly night. It's a thoughtful and surprisingly effective way to set the mood for a romantic evening. Okay, this next feature might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but I assure you it's real. It's called Bioweapon Defense Mode, and it's designed to protect you from harmful pollutants and even bioweapons. I know, it sounds extreme, but hear me out. Tesla equips its cars with a HEPA air filtration system that's so advanced it can filter out almost all airborne particles, including bacteria, viruses, and even pollen. In Bioweapon Defense Mode, this system creates a pressurized cabin environment, ensuring that only purified air can enter. So, whether you're driving through a polluted city or just want to breathe easy during allergy season, Bioweapon Defense Mode has got you covered. Remember those dashcam videos you see online? Capturing crazy accidents and unbelievable moments on the road? Well, with Tesla's dashcam viewer, you can record your own driving adventures. Tesla's cars come equipped with built-in cameras that are constantly recording while you drive. This footage is stored locally on a USB drive that you can plug into the car. With Dashcam Viewer, you can easily access and view this footage directly on the car's touchscreen. Whether you want to review a close call, capture scenic driving footage, or just have peace of mind knowing that your drives are being recorded, Dashcam Viewer is an incredibly useful feature. Who says you can't have a little fun while you're charging your car? With Tesla Arcade, you can turn your charging wait into a gaming session. Tesla Arcade is a collection of video games that you can play directly on your car's touchscreen. And we're not talking about simple mobile games here. Tesla Arcade features some surprisingly sophisticated titles, including racing games, puzzle games, and even classic arcade games. And the best part, you can use your car's controls to play some of the games. Imagine using your steering wheel and pedals to race in a virtual Grand Prix or controlling a spaceship with your turn signal stalk. So there you have it, 10 hidden Tesla features that prove these cars are more than just vehicles. They're technological marvels packed with surprises. From silly Easter eggs to genuinely useful features, Tesla has managed to create an automotive experience that's both innovative and entertaining. Tesla's hidden features turn driving into a truly unique experience. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more automotive secrets, tips, and tech, check out the other videos on Detroit Motor Marvels. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.